Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best educational tools to help our kids learn and grow. Today, we're exploring an incredible resource that has been making waves in classrooms everywhere: the 6-pack double-sided Geoboard from ZaxiDeel. If you're looking for a versatile and engaging way to teach geometric concepts, this might just be the best Geoboard for your classroom. This educational toy is designed for children and offers a hands-on approach to learning geometry. The Geoboard itself measures 5 by 5 inches and features a double-sided design. One side presents a traditional 5 by 5 matrix, perfect for creating shapes and patterns. Flip it over, and you'll find another matrix along the edges with a circular area in the middle, expanding the possibilities for creative play. What makes this Geoboard truly special is its emphasis on creativity. It comes with 6 packs of rubber bands, each containing 24 bands of various sizes, allowing kids to explore different shapes, letters, and even animals. This kind of open-ended play stimulates children's imaginations and keeps their hands busy, which is perfect for their developmental needs. In addition to the rubber bands, this set includes 15 pattern cards with 30 designs. These cards can serve as a guide for kids to recreate the patterns or inspire them to come up with their own unique creations. Whether they want to draw patterns themselves or follow along, this Geoboard supports both structured and imaginative play. But it's not just about fun. This Geoboard plays a crucial role in physical and intellectual development. It helps children grasp geometric concepts through hands-on exploration. By manipulating the rubber bands, they can improve their understanding of shapes, letters, and angles. This active engagement strengthens fine motor skills, which are essential as they grow and learn. Teachers will appreciate how this Geoboard can seamlessly fit into their lesson plans. It's perfect for classroom learning, providing an interactive tool that encourages participation and collaboration among students. Imagine the excitement when your students discover geometry through play. Now, let's talk about safety and durability. The Geoboard is crafted from high-quality ABS material, ensuring it can withstand the enthusiastic handling of young learners. The smooth surface and umbrella head pins keep the rubber bands securely in place, making it easy for little hands to manipulate. Plus, the rubber bands are strong and elastic, designed to last through countless creative sessions. Storage is also a breeze, thanks to the included bag that keeps everything organized and easily accessible. This makes it a great option for parents and teachers who want to take it on the go, whether it's to a car trip, a doctor's appointment, or even a family dinner. As we wrap up our review, it's clear that the ZaxiDeel double-sided Geoboard is more than just a toy. It's a powerful educational tool. If you're searching for a birthday gift, a Christmas present, or a fun addition to your classroom supplies, look no further. This Geoboard checks all the boxes for creativity, learning, and fun. So, if you're ready to enhance your child's learning experience and make geometry exciting, consider picking up the 6-pack double-sided Geoboard today. With its engaging design and educational benefits, it truly is one of the best Geoboards for any classroom. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on amazing educational products. See you next time, and happy learning!